Out here at Hershey, PA. See what they have around here to ride. Yeah. A little windy out here. Range Rover. Oh, taking it back on him. Oh, took it back on him. Took it back on him. Oh. Looking back to his football days. You used to use that? Was that part of your training? Yeah. That's dope.
You said we didn't have that machine then.
Huh?
We didn't have that machine though.
Yeah.
They used to smack us.
Trying to get across here, make our way downtown. This is, I guess all this is connected to high school, middle school, elementary. Oh, that's the old Hershey factory there?
Yeah.
That's dope. It feel good as fuck out here today. But this wind, I know it's fucking with the microphone. Abandoned shit. It's abandoned. Ooh. I guess that's Hershey Park over there. Hershey Volunteer Fire Crew. That's Hershey Park right there, right? Hershey Park right there.
That's Hershey.
Yeah. It's a nice little town. Little tourist town. Good out here, right? That wind feels good, but I know it's fucking up the microphone for sure.
Oh, we didn't bring a thing like we said.
Huh?
Remember a piece of cotton?
The what?
A piece of cotton to put on the...
Yeah, yeah. Yep. Little trick. We picked up.
Turn back and go down that road real quick.
What road?
That John little hill, the nice little hill. Right here. At the end of the alleyway, take a left, and it's like a little dip.
Let's see what it is. We like bombing hills. Right, left? Oh, that's to America. That's to America. Oh shit. Hat down, hat down. I ain't getting none of that shit on camera. I ain't getting none of that shit on camera. Yeah, that shit was fun as fuck too.
Yeah, look.
We just bombed the hill. Yeah. They got the little homies there cutting grass. We just bombed the damn hill. That shit was fun as fuck. When I looked, that camera wasn't even on. I don't know where the fuck the hood is. I don't think Hershey has any. No, it's a cool little town. Blah, 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 blah. Yo, you tired? Huh? Woo. That hill, them hills do it to you, boy. You get spaghetti legs. You get jelly legs. Can't even ride downhill with that shit. It's a little warm, man. Yo, so I don't really to ride much over here. Right? Not really much to ride around here, huh?
I thought the downtown would be bigger. I was there.
Let's go downtown. Then we take a left here. See what's up with downtown Hershey. Nonetheless, it is a nice day to ride. That's for sure. Work our way downtown. That'd be dope if Zoo America would have been open. We could at least see the animals. You tired, Golo?
Huh?
You tired?
Yeah.
Huh? Your legs are on fire? No way. This hasn't even been an hour, my guy. Did you skip leg day? You've been skipping leg day. That's what it is. Right. You've been skipping leg day. Bro, didn't we just already come this way? Half mile up the road. Yo. What's your favorite ride over here in Hershey? You've been over here. You've been over here mad times. Which one? They almost swallowed my gun. That yellow one we got on last time? That shit was crazy.
Oh no, that's the Great Bear. The Great Bear is good too.
The Great Bear?
Yeah.
Isn't the Great Bear wood? Wood? Yeah, or no?
Nah.
It's not made out of wood?
That one right there, that yellow one.
Oh, that shit right there, yeah. That yellow one's that crazy one. Get on that shit and you don't realize what you did till you up there.
You get on there with loose stuff in your pocket, with your shoes.
Come again?
I said if you get on there with like, oh look, that's the Great Bear right there, that black one.
Black one?
Yeah, that black one right there.
So if you get on there with no shoes, what?
Shoes because your feet are hanging.
Or dangling?
Yeah.
Let's go in through there to see if we can get closer to them. Motherfuckers missing Hershey Park now. I'm sure they use this shit somehow, some way for parking or something back here. There's a good lot. So that's the one right there? Oh, dang, you got the dope view.
I forgot what the name of the ride, but that's probably one of the sickest jumps here at Hershey Park. You got the Fahrenheit, the Great Bear right there. If you guys know the name of this, put it in the comments. I'm sure I'll look it up, you know, as soon as I'm done with this video here. But the Storm Runner in the background, that's another one. That's a fast one. I like speed. That's what it's called. Sky Rush, the yellow one. Oh, look.
Shit, we jump on that shit'll rip our arm off. Man, that shit long too. That shit came out of nowhere, spooked the shit out of me. I swear I ain't hear that shit coming. That shit came silently. I saw that shit when it was right here. That's crazy. So what's that one called there?
Sky Rush.
The Sky Rush? And then that's the tower, right? What's it called? The Kissing Tower?
Yeah.
FedEx and UPS trucks. Shit, I'm scared of that railroad track right there, boy, the way that shit crept up. It's Gucci. That was dope though. Let's make our way, keep making our way that way. Shit, that shit looked like it. We climbed that real foam.
Yep, in 1908.
Was it his private residence?
Yep, him and his wife, Catherine Hershey.
So him and Kathleen lived here?